Hello, thrill seekers. WD here with the one and only WellDunn, bringing you another episode of Alabama Tings. We're kicking things off right here at the stunning Gulf Shores, Alabama. Today, we're exploring not just the sea, but the land at Down Under Dive Shop, where adventure meets the waves and the roads. And we also have a special treat for you. A chat with Brandon, a Marine and veteran who's a part of this amazing team. Let's dive into it.
Welcome Down Under. We do scuba diving, e-bikes, and boards here. Right now we're offering a special for your open water, which is your basic level certification. It's $199 plus your online learning, which is about another $190. And you can get into the open water class where you do book material, and then you go to the pool. And after you've done your pool sessions, you go to open water sessions. Now at the end of it, you take a test, and if you pass your test, you get scuba certified. If you want to rent them, we can rent them to you. We have scuba gear for rental. We have computers, BCDs, air tanks, regulators, anything you could ever need for scuba diving, and we do charters out of here too.
Wow, that's some impressive gear. And a big salute to Brandon for his service. Thank you from all of us adventurers.
We have e-bikes and boards that's ran out of here as well. And we rent paddle boards and e-bikes and kayaks. Half day and full day rentals.
What a day. Whether you're into diving deep or cruising along the shore,
Down Under Dive Shop has everything you need.
I mean, everything. From paddle boards, kayaks, e-bikes, scuba lessons, instructors. I mean, this is not only just a perfect location, but they've been here for over 20 years. So make sure when you come down to Gulf Shores, Alabama,
You be sure to visit Down Under Dive Shop.
and make sure you tell them WellDunn and WD sent you.
Follow Down Under Dive Shop on Instagram at Down Under Dive Shop.
And also check out the amazing e-bikes and boards. Hit like and subscribe and keep adventuring. Thank you all so much for watching, and remember, stay adventurous. See you next time, explorers. Bye.